Proton VPN Review 2025. Is it really the best VPN for ultimate online privacy and blazing fast speeds? If you're tired of digital snooping and slow connections, you need to watch this. We dive deep into Proton VPN, revealing why it's considered the top choice for safeguarding your online ghost mode. Discover its massive network of over 18,000 servers in 129 countries, offering unparalleled global access and speed. What makes Proton VPN truly stand out is its ironclad commitment to privacy, with open-sourced apps and annual no-logs policy audits that have even held up in court. Experience features like Secure Core for multi-hop protection, NetShield ad/malware blocker, and a reliable kill switch, all packed into a sleek, user-friendly interface. Even its free tier is revolutionary, offering unlimited data without ads, unlike any other. Don't compromise your digital freedom. See why Proton VPN's Paid Plus version feels like you're not even using a VPN. Check the description below for exclusive links to get Proton VPN now and start your secure browsing journey today.